In this video, we use high-quality Phoebe lubricants to replace the transmission oil on a Skoda Superb plug-in hybrid equipped with the DQ400E direct shift transmission, which is also used in many other Volkswagen Group plug-in hybrid vehicles. Phoebe lubricants offer optimum friction behavior, guaranteeing great wear protection in all operating conditions to keep the transmission working efficiently and effectively. This sophisticated 6-speed direct shift transmission requires regular oil and filter changes to keep its smooth, wet double clutch system and its computer-controlled mechatronics unit operating within very fine engineering tolerances. It also uses a third disengagement clutch to separate the electric motor and internal combustion engine when switching between operating modes, further increasing the need for regular and correct maintenance. Before raising the vehicle, open the bonnet, remove the fuse box cover, and attach a battery support unit to maintain the battery voltage. Plug in a suitable diagnostic tool. This is essential for several parts of the process, and then ensure the gear selector lever is set in the park position. Put the vehicle into the service position by pressing the Start button once, without starting the engine. Reduce the transmission oil pressure using a suitable diagnostic tool. A fault code will be logged as a result. Raise the vehicle and remove the engine and transmission under tray to locate the drain and level plugs. For the purpose of filming this video, the left-hand front wheel and splash shield have also been removed. Note, Phoebe also offer the oil filter for this transmission. However, the vehicle manufacturer recommends that it is only replaced if the oil is contaminated with coolant or metal particles, which would necessitate the transmission to be removed for repair. Therefore, it is not possible to replace the filter in situ. Undo the transmission drain plug and allow the transmission oil to flow until it reduces to a drip. Then remove the level plug and the plastic overflow pipe to clear any excess. Refit the plastic pipe and then the level and drain plugs. Remove the mechatronics drain plug and allow the oil to flow until it reduces to a drip. Then refit the drain plug. Remove the filler plug, screw in the filling tool adapter and fill the transmission with 6 litres of oil. Then remove the adapter and refit the level plug. Repressurize the transmission accumulator using the diagnostic tool. To check the oil level, first ensure the gear selector lever is in park and the transmission oil temperature is between 21 and 40 degrees Celsius. Start the oil level function using the diagnostic tool, which will distribute the oil evenly between the chambers of the transmission, and follow the guided instructions to check the oil level. Remove the level plug and allow the excess oil to flow until it reduces to a drip. The oil level is now correct. Refit the level plug and check for any leaks. Refit the transmission under tray and then lower the vehicle and clear any fault codes that are logged in the control units. Remove the battery support unit, refit the fuse box cover and close the bonnet. Finally, take the vehicle for a test drive.